Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Lorraine and welcome to my channel. Now just before I dive in there and pull your cards for today, I'd just like to say I am an experienced and professional, holistic and spiritual counsellor and mentor, and I offer 100% money back guarantee for image readings, tarot readings, also the programs, as well as spiritual and holistic counselling and mentoring, plus advice to help you with union with self and union with your person. Just check the details in the description box below this video for more information. So let's dive deep and let's see what messages the cards have for you, for both you and your person's love journey thus far. And also, let's see what messages the cards have for you about your person. Right. Oh my gosh, you're kidding me. Alright, so you were coming in with the High Priestess and you were coming in with the Empress here. As above, so below, as within, so without. That's how I see those two cards coming in here. Alright, so wow. Alright, let me break this down for you. Okay, alright, so what I'm picking up here with both those cards coming out here in your reading, your alignment, most definitely here, doing what you love to do. Yeah, okay. Now, there's two ways in which I can break this down. I just want to let you know before I get into both these talking about and defining and breaking down these two cards. The way that your person sees you at this point in time, what I'm picking up here is that they want to take a leap of faith towards you here. Yeah, I normally see it as a leap of faith into the unknown here, guys, but for your person, they know what they're going to. It's like they already know what's. You never want to be predictable. Here. Okay, because it takes away that element of spontaneity, excitement here. I was going to say they know what they know what they're in for. Maybe that's a better way of saying it here. See, they find you damn attractive. You're more than a temptation here, guys. You're actually the whole package here. That's how they see that here. Now, with both cards coming in here, guys, they know. See, when it comes to that whole package for your person, it comes in as leadership qualities, especially if you're coming in with the Empress here. Big physical attraction here. So it's not just your person's attention, you know, that you are attracting at this time here in your reading. See, with both cards coming in here on the board, it talks about how you, well, what I want to say is how you be of service to others, because your person knows that. They actually know here The way that you are on the inside is definitely the way that you are on the outside here. And both are quite magnetic here. Do you understand? It's that magnetic attraction that you have towards people. And this could be just everyday people that you're meeting. Excuse me, here guys. It could also come in as friends and family here. But it also talks about here in your reading for your person. They know that these changes are huge. These are big changes here in your reading. And there's also a change in terms of the people that you are currently surrounding yourself by, or even involving yourself with here in your reading. Yeah. Yeah, of course, this can also come in as being able to create here the life in which you want for yourself. Do you understand? Taking the actions, being happy with what you're doing here, guys, coming from a place of love here. See, with the Empress card, what it talks about there in your reading is that your person sees you as grounded. Your person sees you as quite mature here. Well, of course, here in your reading, where you don't take life as a risk here. Well, what I mean by that here, guys, is that you don't waste your time here with frivolous, let's come in that way, frivolous going-ons here. Yeah. You don't do things just because you want to, just because you want to do something that makes you happy. A lot of what you do can also come in as a strategic plan here. See, there's a lot about yourself here that your person gets here. And this is coming in as quite deep, especially if you're coming in with the High Priestess card here in your reading. Care and nurture here. But that's outpouring here, guys. You're coming in. I normally would say compassion and empathy, but what it also talks about here in your reading is sympathy. 1 minute. Sorry about that, guys. I kind of tapped the table and it jiggled the plug. Here. Alright, so yeah. See, this is for your person. They see this as quite a deep connection, is what I'm getting. See, it's not just the way that you appear, your appearance here. Is pretty attractive here, guys, most definitely to your person, but it's, yeah, it's how deep your feelings, it's how deep your person's feelings are for you here. And what I get there in your reading for your person, they can't hide it anymore, because that combination is quite a unique combination here. And it's not every day your person meets someone like you. Oh, they would have met people in the past, of course, here, guys, but not to that caliber. See, that's coming in as high class here. I definitely see you as classy here, guys. What is it? Regal, maybe the right word, another word to use here. The way that you carry yourself here in your reading. See, they may have been able to run from these feelings, all right? They may have been able to hide and not hide these feelings by not by keeping them, I should say, as an inward expression here. But by doing that for your person, once again, you're coming in with, now they can't get away from it because they've held it so deep within them. These feelings are coming to the surface. It's bubbling up inside of your person. And so, at this point in time, it's coming in as your person realizing here that just how unique and beautiful, here guys, special in a sense here, you truly are. That's what those cards are saying. And so for your person, they could understand here why you're attracting a lot of attention. They may not like it here, because that would stir your person's negative emotions to resurface as well here. I want to pull some more cards here, guys. Yeah, it's got something to do here, guys, definitely. I was going to say, you stand out from others here because of the way in which you are, because of the way in which you carry yourself here. It's not intentional, all right? It's just because you are who you are. You do not like to be molded here or changed. Now let me just keep going with this one here, guys. Like, it's grounded, stable here. You are your foundation. That's what it talks about. And see that confidence to be the person you truly are here, in terms of self-identity, in terms of individuality here, your person finds that attractive. But what it also talks about there is that attraction is creating this magnetism for your person. Yeah. Let's keep going here, eh? Because there's nothing really fake about that. Here, your person may have seen it a certain way. They may have seen it with a negative connotation here, all right, in the past, okay? But now there's no denying that you are the person you say you are. And you are the person your person sees. Because you're skilled here, your person knows that. You're skilled and you're talented. They could very well be just as skilled and talented as you. Here, thank you. You could very well have a few eyes on you here, guys. Yeah. See, what it tells me here in your reading is that your person knows that you're connecting with people here. Different types of people. All right. Okay. Yeah, see, what it tells me here is everything that I spoke about here in your reading. When I spoke about you being unique here, your person definitely knows that here. Special, special in a way that there is nobody else like you here. Ooh. Alright, so you are coming in with the Six of Pentacles, you have the Three of Cups, and you're also coming in with the Ten of Cups here in your reading. What it tells me there in your reading, the obstacle and the challenge here, there's more than one way in which I can break it down, okay? And what I'm picking up there in your reading is that it comes in as now your person feels what it's like. How can I say that? It's not like you ignore your person here. It's not like you avoid your person here in your reading. What it talks about here in your reading is that you've gone through some major changes in your life. And your person realizes that. They see it, they know it here. And it really blows their mind here. Now, what it tells me here in your reading is this is coming in as an obstacle and a challenge. All right. And so what I'm picking up there is that this is coming in as your person. And what it talks about there is that there isn't, like I said, there isn't anyone like you here. They may have denied it in the past here. Denied, yeah. I think that's the right word. At this point in time. All right. But they can't do that anymore. This is what it's saying. See, like I said, because your person held on to their feelings and left it as an inward expression here, okay, of love, here, attraction, charisma. This is how they felt about you. All right, passion and desire here. It's like a lightning bolt for your person here. That's kind of reignited here, that passion. Or, yeah, they've always had the passion here, but the truth that they are holding back, the truth as to why they hold back here, yeah, and what makes them hold back. And the truth here is that these feelings that your person has for you are deep. They're actually quite deep here, guys. And so to say that it's just passion and desire here is coming in as an untruth here, because in actual fact here, guys, these feelings that your person has for you are real, they're raw, and they're true at this point in time. And it is proving to be a challenge for your person. Now, what it also talks about here in your reading, when they are out there, let's come in that way, and they are mixing, mingling with people, okay, it's not the same. It's not the same. That's what they're beginning to realize here. See, that lightning bolt has kind of already happened. And so for your person, what they're doing at this point in time is they're just carrying on with their life here. Okay, yeah. But now it's turned into, I want to say, boredom here, guys, and restlessness for your person. And it could also come in as being stuck here, because what they're doing doesn't make them happy. And for your person, what I get there is finally connecting the dots here in your reading. See, what it can also talk about here in your reading is that your person was under that, I want to say, illusion here, that they were actually here, the package. And they probably were here, okay? All right? But they were the package here. They had everything that they needed, okay? So that they could carry on and live life, the life in which they wanted to live here. But what your reading's talking about here is that your person is actually backing up here, turning around here, and wanting to return. That's what the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Ten of Cups is talking about here. Because that's what your person wants here. They want someone like you, but now they're beginning to realize here, guys, you're one of a kind. That's what I want to mean. That's what I'm meaning by unique, special, beautiful here, guys, and even classy. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, guys. All right, let's go. Let's see what other messages the cards have for you. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm picking up here in your reading, so you were coming in as the Justice card. Okay, you have the Justice card. You have the Eight of Wands, and you were coming in with the Queen of Wands here. And so what I get with the Queen of Wands is that you're a business owner, that you own your own business here. It's one way in which I can say it. Damn attractive. I mean, definitely coming in with the High Priestess here and the Empress here in your reading. You practice some form of esoteric teachings here, and you follow the Kabbalah, astrology here, numerology here in your reading. All right. And you do that all here, guys, by reading tarot. You could very well have a YouTube channel here, and you're quite diligent here. You have that stickability here, that endurance, that stamina here to keep going, the climb, the strive. That is how your person sees you here in your reading. There is no other way. Like I said in the beginning, you are who you are. And for your person, they find that to be a challenge, because what it talks about there is that you have no weakness. Might have weakness to coffee and chocolate here, guys. Okay? But dedication. They don't understand the dedication that's involved here. Yeah, to do the work that you do here, because it's all about for yourself here in your reading. I get your person absolutely knows that you do that, where you are of service to others here. See, coming in the way that you are in terms of this uniqueness here, guys, what it talks about there in your reading is not wanting to be the only one here. Is about wanting to share and impart onto others, yeah, what they can do in order to be a better version of themselves here, or in order to work through childhood trauma, because that's how that comes in. Let me see what the advice card is. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, so you're coming in with the Ace of Pentacles here, and you know that comes in as here, guys. The advice here in your reading is to keep working on building and planting positive seeds for yourself. Now's not a time to stop here. Your person sees you as the Ace of Pentacles. They see you as a new beginning here. They actually see you. That Ace of Pentacles here is your person sees you. They see you in the physical here, guys. They see who you are here. They know that you're grounded here in your reading. And they definitely know here you have something to offer. Alright. What it tells me here in your reading also for your person is, so how do I come towards you? You the viewer, how do I come towards you? What is it that I need to do in order to do that? Here. See, they too need to come in as an Ace of Pentacles in a sense, here in your reading, or take those steps, small steps here, to create positive changes in their life. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your reading. Yeah. See, just before I go, what I do get here in your reading is that your person is absolutely in love with you. But what they don't realize here, guys, is that they have always been the choice. Okay? Right. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you. And I'll catch you later. Bye.